At the heart of this unfolding drama are three key figures. Emmerson Mnangagwa, the cunning political operator who finally grasped the reins of power. Constantino Chiwenga, the former military general who orchestrated Mugabe's downfall and now serves as Mnangagwa's deputy. And Mike Bimha, a seasoned politician and key ally of Chiwenga, whose recent removal from ZANU-PF's Politburo has sent shockwaves through the nation. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you the latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from our channel. Bimha's removal from the political chessboard was sudden and decisive. Accused of fanning factionalism within ZANU-PF, he was stripped of his position. The move sent a clear message: Mnangagwa would tolerate no dissent, even from within his own ranks. This was not just about Bimha, it was a calculated strike aimed at weakening Chiwenga's power base. The timing of Bimha's dismissal is significant. It comes at a time when tensions between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga are believed to be running high. With elections looming, both men are vying for control of the party machinery. By removing Bimha, Mnangagwa has not only weakened his rival, but also sent a chilling message to any other potential challengers. The move has been met with a mixture of apprehension and resignation. Some within ZANU-PF see it as a necessary step to restore order and unity. Others view it as a sign of Mnangagwa's growing authoritarianism. The opposition, meanwhile, has seized on the development as further evidence that Mnangagwa is no different from his predecessor. They argue that he is simply consolidating his power at the expense of democracy. The implications of Bimha's removal extend far beyond the corridors of power. It has further heightened the sense of uncertainty and anxiety that pervades Zimbabwean society. Many fear that the country is sleepwalking back into dictatorship. That's it for today on Zim News Live YTS. Feel free to leave a comment about your thoughts on this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from our channel.